guys, welcome back to our channel.
So today I have a little treat for you guys, and when I say treat, I mean actual treat. So in my previous videos I told you guys that I was from Jamaica. So on my way up here I stopped at the store and I got some goodies for Zara to try. May I just add, this girl is really picky. She only eats McDonald's chicken nuggets. So you're gonna be in for a treat today, my friend. And I'm going to let her try all these Jamaican products, and she has to be blindfolded. So I'm gonna blindfold her while she tries the products, so she's not gonna see, because sometimes you know that when you're looking at something you tend to not like it just by how it looks, but when you taste it first, you probably will like it a little bit more because you don't know what it looks like. So that's what we're going to try today.
And also, just in case I don't like it, I have a bag.
Let's see. So I'm going to blindfold her now, and let's see her reaction to these Jamaican goodies.
Oh no.
Ready? Okay. So our first thing today, what should I, there's so many stuff. All right, so the first thing we're gonna begin with is some Jamaican drops. So I just had a tiny bit because it's almost finished, so I had to just wipe a little from my family so that she could try this one. So let me just give you a look as to how it is. So this is how the Jamaican drops look. So she's gonna try it right now. And she doesn't know the name of these stuff. This is all new to her. She doesn't even know what I'm talking about. She's gonna try it now, guys.
Oh
no. Okay. How does that taste?
That's okay.
Not bad. That's nice. That was good, right?
Yeah.
That was good. Okay, so we one down. So we get one sticky so far. Let's see what else I have for her to try. Okay, I have another little treat. So what are you doing? It's full enough? No cheating around here.
Not.
There, nice little ear style. Okay, so right here I have some Jamaican potato, sweet potato pudding. Let me just give you a What are you saying, Hugh? You don't even know it tastes. This is how the Jamaican pudding looks, guys.
I can't see it. I want to see it.
Okay, you ready? Why you holding out your hands like that? Take them away, man. I'm going to put this one in your mouth for you. Yes, open your mouth. Open. Here comes the aeroplane. Chew. Chew. You don't chew yet. Chew first. Chew. 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 What? That one wasn't good? That one was delicious.
Yeah. That's gross.
This is good. That was gross?
Are you eating it right
No.
now? You are.
Okay. Let's move on. That one was nice, but she didn't like it.
That was gross.
Okay, so now we have some cane from Jamaica.
Oh no.
You know what cane is?
No.
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna break it and give her a tiny piece of, but this is how cane looks. This is cane, Jamaican sugar cane. So this is what is used to make sugar. For all of the persons that don't know, this is where your sugar comes from, cane. So this is how it looks before it was turned into sugar. So here goes. You ready? So this one you don't swallow it. You just chew it up and get out all the juice, and then you spit out the trash.
So I'm gonna have to spit it out anyway?
Yeah, you have to spit it out, but you have to chew it to get out the juice, the yumminess. Open your mouth. Here comes the aeroplane. Chew, 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 chew. Chew. It's good, right? Oh, is it? It's bad? That was good. Okay, I don't like sugarcane either. They're not my thing. Not my thing, but it's okay. It's not
This
that bad.
stuff is gross, except for the first one.
This was, yeah, I don't really like that one. Let me just take a piece of pudding before I continue.
Oh no.
Because this is good pudding, you know. This
hate
pudding is
that
made
pudding.
with sweet potato.
American pudding is way better than that.
American pudding. Does America have pudding?
Yes.
Pie?
Yeah.
Pie meat pudding. Okay. Our next treat. This is our next treat, guys. I don't think this is really from Jamaica, but we love it in Jamaica. This is called Shirley Biscuit. So we're gonna see what she thinks about this one. Ready? Hold the face to the camera, girl.
I don't know when they can.
The camera is that way. Don't you know that?
No.
Sit up. Let them see you properly. Okay. Are you ready for this one? Come over. Put your hands on the chair like, yeah. That's perfect. You ready for this one? Open mind. The choo-choo train is coming. Choo-choo.
That's good.
That's great. You like that one?
That one's good. Can I have another one?
Oh, so she likes the Shirley, guys.
Hello? Hello?
Okay. You can have another one. The next thing on my list is this is some tambourine ball. We call it tambourine ball in Jamaica. Tambourine. So we're gonna see what she thinks about this one. So it is like, why is it? It's a fruit. Oh my god, I'm from Jamaica and I don't know this. We pick it off the tree and we roll it with some sugar into a ball and call it tambourine ball. It has seeds in it right now. So when you're eating, when you feel the tough things, that's supposed to be spit out. You don't eat the seed. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Open your mouth. Choo choo. You must look in the camera, girl. Don't look around here. Yes. How is it? It's good? You like it? You're lying.
I do.
I don't
Tastes
like it.
What?
This tastes nasty. But all the kids in Jamaica do like this. I don't like it though. It's not my cup of tea. So this is how it looks. Tambourine ball, we call it in Jamaica. You spit out the seeds?
What is it?
Okay, so we have something else in the bag. This is, we call it rough top. I don't think this is really from Jamaica either. I think it's from Trinidad or Barbados or something. Let's see. Yeah, it's from Trinidad, but we love these stuff in Jamaica. So it almost feels like it's a Jamaican product, so how we love it in Jamaica. So this is called rough top. So let's see what she thinks about this one. I haven't had this one.
I'm so excited because I love that.
This one, I haven't had it in a while. It's been like a year or so since I've had this one. So here it goes. You ready?
Yeah.
Look into the camera.
I don't know what the camera is. Is it where I'm facing? Hello? It's so quiet.
Come, open your, look into the camera. Stay that way. How is it?
It tastes like Shirley.
Shirley, really? No, it doesn't to me. So I don't love these, but they're okay. They're a nice little biscuits to have. Okay, so that one was okay then. So how much that was gone? I'm gonna have to check it and put it up on the screen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going 6 products so far, and you like most of them, so that's good. Jamaica ain't that bad then.
How much did I buy?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to check back. Okay, so now this is called Jackass Corn.
Oh.
Let me see if you guys.
I heard it and I saw it, but I don't remember.
Jackass Corn. So this, growing up in Jamaica, when I hear them talk about Jackass Corn, it's something where can break your teeth.
Oh no, I don't want it.
This will break your teeth. Look
No,
at it.
don't give
When
me.
you take a bite of it, like, if you get your teeth in it too hard, it can break it. So that's why we call it. What's the next name we call it again? We call it donkey. We call it donkey corn. So growing up as a child in Jamaica, this is called donkey corn. But now, you know, they're prettying up a little bit. They call it jackass corn. So I'm gonna let you have a little bit. Don't worry, I'll give you just a tiny piece. I don't think that can break your teeth. Can it?
Oh.
Come. Oh my god, I can't even break it.
Oh no.
Oh, that was hard to break. Look. Ah, you hear that? That's why it's called donkey corn. So here goes, Zara. You ready? So just be very gentle with your teeth, because I don't want you breaking your teeth. So be very gentle. Are you ready?
No.
Look in the camera. Why you keep looking away? Are you ready? I don't want you to break your teeth now, so be very, very gentle, okay? Here goes. Chew.
I didn't want to.
Chew very gentle. Tell me if you can bite it.
I can't.
Bite it. Try it. It's really tough, guys. You hear it? Grandma definitely can eat this one.
Oh, I can't even bite it.
Our grandmother definitely can take a bite of this. Her dentures may come out. You should laugh. It's funny. It was funny. It's a funny joke. Okay, guys. So let's see what else we have in the bag. So I was gonna let her try this. It's called gizzada in Jamaica, but for some reason it got molded. I have it up here too long because I've been up here since around soon a month now. So it's time to throw this out. But this is how our gizzada look. This is yummy in Jamaica. We love these gizzada. So, but we can't have it, so we're gonna throw it out. Okay, yes. Here is another little treat. So this is called, what is this called again? Busta. This is called Busta. In Jamaica we call this Busta. So it is a mix of coconut with ginger and sugar and some other molasses and stuff like that. Come on, kid, get up, let's go. Come, sit up, let the camera see you. Let me turn the camera more on you, because this is about you today, you little cheeky. Ready?
No.
I'm ready. Come, open up. I'm just gonna give you a tiny bit.
Okay.
Ready? Open up. Go. Chew. Chew. How is it? How is it?
I want to put it out.
What? This is my biscuit bag. Find your bag. Where did you put your bag?
Help me.
Okay, here it is. It wasn't that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, so let's see what else we have in the bag. Wow, this one is good. One more. Yes. There's only one more. Come over a little bit. There's only one more. This one is called Butter Kiss. Kids in Jamaica love Butter Kiss. Again, I don't think this is made in Jamaica, but it's a Jamaican favorite. We love these in Jamaica. So it come like we make it. It's like we made this thing because it's so nice. So here goes, little one. Let's try this one. Ready? Open up your choo-choo chain. Choo-choo. choo 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 choo. Okay, here you go. Choo choo. Choo choo. Wait, where you go? What? That? What? Tell me that's bad. Come on, that's not bad. All right, that's the last one. You can take the blindfold off and see the creations right here. So these are all the stuff that you just tried. So this is the rough top.
What's that?
That's what you tried. They said it tastes like the Shirley.
Oh.
Shirley. And we got some pudding, which is so good. Potato pudding. So nice. Okay, this is the tamarind.
Did I like that? No.
Yes,
no, I did like that.
Yeah, this is.
That tastes like candy.
Yeah, I don't like tamarind. This is the jackass scan that you just tried.
Oh my god.
Yep. It's tough. I can't start eating it. It's so good. So good.
Well, that's the last of it.
Yes. So this is the cane. This is what is used to make sugar. This is what is used to make sugar, guys. She doesn't like it, but this is where your sugar comes from. This thing right here. I'm gonna put up a picture to show you exactly how it looked before. Let me eat first. So I'm gonna put up a picture to show you exactly how the cane looks before it is cut. But this is your sugar. This is what they juice and turn into sugar, guys. So I'm tired of talking. You take over.
Okay, that food, I tell you, I hated most of it. That was just gross.
No, it wasn't.
My favorite one, I have two. I would say it was Shirley and what's the name?
Which
that
one?
I said that tastes like candy.
Tamarind.
Tamarind. Those were my favorites, I would say. The rest were...
Well, I must say this is really an improvement because someone who only eats chicken nuggets to be saying they like other stuff. Wow. Big accomplishment, Jamaica.
Okay, guys. I like these two the best, but I want you guys to decide. So leave a comment down below. Which one do you look the grossest?
They don't look gross. My Jamaican products are gross. So guys, this is the end of our video. So we'll see you soon.
Hit that subscribe button, put a thumbs up, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video.
What she said. So we'll see you in our next video, guys.
Bye.